Hey guys, if you want to make your Trello boards more visual and easier to understand, then adding images is a great way to do that. So inside any card, you will then be able to see labels, dates, checklist, members, and right next to those options is an add button. So simply click add, then select attachment. From here, you will then be able to upload an image from your computer, attach a link, or even pull files from other apps you use. So once your image is added, it will then show up right in the card, giving you a quick visual reference without ever needing to open anything else. You can also add multiple images if needed, which is great for tracking progress, sharing designs, or just keeping your board organized and visually clean. So it's a small step, but it also makes your Trello boards more engaging, easier to navigate, and helps everyone on your team see what's going on at a glance. And that's it. So if you found this insightful, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we will see you on the next one.